Today we're learning about biomes and aquatic ecosystems. Our objectives for today are to identify how biomes are defined, identify how aquatic ecosystems are defined, describe the major categories of freshwater ecosystems, and explain how estuaries contribute to ecosystems. This is a climate diagram. A climate diagram can help explain some of the abiotic conditions of a biome. The seasonal patterns of temperature and precipitation associated with each biome can be summarized in a graph called the climate diagram. The climate diagram shows the average temperature and precipitation at a given location during each month of the year. In this climate diagram, temperature is plotted as a red line and precipitation is shown as vertical blue bars. Make sure that you read the correct scale for the factor you are considering. Notice, for example, that the temperature scale on the left side is very different from the precipitation scale on the right side. The temperature scale on the left side corresponds to the red temperature line, and the precipitation scale on the right side is used for the bars for showing precipitation for each month. If I want to know the average temperature in New Orleans in July, what should I look at? Well, first I'll find July. July is the 7th month. Then here's July. Then I need to choose the right scale. I'm looking for temperature, so I'm going to look at the left vertical axis. Temperature is plotted on the red line, so I'll see where the red line meets up with July. And then I'll read across to the scale to find the value. It looks like the average summer July temperature is about 28 degrees Celsius. During what season do you think New Orleans is the rainiest? Well, if we look at the blue bars, we see that New Orleans is rainiest in July and August and September. So that means that New Orleans is rainiest in the summer. How many millimeters of rain does New Orleans receive in November? Well, we can look at November and look at the blue bar and see how high it goes. Look at the right-hand scale, and we see that New Orleans receives about 140 millimeters of rain in November. During what month are temperatures in New Orleans the lowest? Well, look at the at the red bar. Sorry about that. And we see that the average temperature in January is only about 10 degrees Celsius. So that's the coldest month for New Orleans.